back to Spring Into Math 8. Today is the second lesson in Chapter 13. And today we're going to be talking about angles of triangles. Let's go ahead and get started. Now here on the screen we have a variety of different kinds of triangles. And we've just covered a lot of new vocabulary in our previous lesson, and it shows how to solve a few basic angle problems. But today we're specifically going to focus on the shape of the triangle. So here we go. Interior angles of a triangle. These are the angles that are inside a polygon. And a triangle is a specific type of polygon. It's a three-sided polygon. Now here we have the different angles listed as 75 degrees, 50 degrees, and there's a missing angle which was represented by the variable x. And we're eventually going to learn to solve for that missing angle. So exterior angles of a triangle are angles that are formed on the outside when the adjacent to the interior angles are when the sides of the polygons are extended. Now here in our image you can see that basically we drew a triangle, but we just kept extending the line a little bit to help create what we call exterior angles of a triangle. So the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It doesn't matter what shape or how the different size angles are of the triangle, no matter what, they always, every single time, add up to 180 degrees. Pretty simple to remember. So here in this triangle we have 50 degrees, 60 degrees, and 70 degrees. 50 plus 60 makes 110, and 110 plus 70 makes that magic number 180 degrees. So we know that this is definitely a triangle. So here's an example. We have this triangle here. Now this is called a right triangle because two of our lines meet up to form a 90-degree angle. This 90-degree angle is represented in the bottom here with a little box. Although there is no actual number there, we know that that little box means 90 degrees. We also have 34 degrees, and then we have our missing degree angle, which is represented by the variable y. So here's an equation. 34 plus 90 plus y equals 180. So we're going to add 34 and 90 together. That makes 124. Now we have 124 plus y, which is the missing angle, makes 180 degrees. So we need to subtract 124 from both sides of our equation. Now when we do this, we get that y, or the missing angle, is equal to 56 degrees. Let's double check that. So 56 plus 34 plus 90, yep, it definitely adds up to 180 degrees, which means that this is definitely a triangle we're working with. Now, so let's talk about exterior angles of a triangle here for a moment. The measure of exterior angles of a triangle is equal to the same of the measure of the two non-adjacent angles. So here in this case we have angles y and x, and those are, when you add them together, that will give you the exterior angle, in this case represented by the variable z. Let's take a look and practice this. So here's my example. I have a 50-degree angle, a 100-degree angle, and both of those are interior angles of our triangle. But we're not trying to solve for the other missing angle, which the other missing interior angle of our triangle. We're actually looking to solve what the degree measurement is for the exterior angle of this triangle is, which is represented by the variable x. So we just need to add the two up together to find that angle. So 50 plus 100 makes 150 degrees. So we can say that x, or that degree measurement of the exterior angle of this triangle, is equal to 150 degrees. In review, we have triangles always add up to 180 degrees, and our exterior angles are just the addition of the two adjacent angles on the interior of our triangle. Hope you learned a little bit about triangles today. Catch you in the next lesson.